This is what I saw in Google Maps. Ilaban na natin ng beef biryani. Oh God, ala. Yes, I want this. Okay. Hoy everybody, beef biryani. Tara, kumain tayo. This is 120. We still have 80 rupee left. Ay! Hala! May daga. Daga ba yun? Hala. There's daga. My God. Let's eat. My God, I'm so gutom. Grabe, ang sarap na ito. Bread.
Do.
Yeah, Shukriya. Ay, look at the chai, everybody. It's chaying. This is the chai that I really like, the authentic one. The chai is chaying. I like this. Look. Oh, hi ka. You know, I'm not scared of pagnanakaw or pickpocketers. I'm scared of dogs.
किस जगह रह रही?
I don't understand. Niloloko mo ako. This is masarap. I like it. Look, it's grilled chicken. It's not spicy. Di ba, very Pinoy? Di palaman mo, chicken sandwich. Bakit? I really like the bread. I wanna buy more for tomorrow to make it like pandesal. Just make it sausaw to the kape. Parang gwapo ng bagets, oh. Hala. Check mo yung nakaitim sa likod, maay. Alo, I'm really full. I'm only doing this for the vlog. I don't want people to see me making aksaya of the food.